Welcome back to another movie breakdown. Today we are diving into Devil is a Liar, and trust me, this film is filled with shocking twists, but there is one particular scene that really caught my attention and left me thinking deeply. One of the most unbelievable moments for me was when Jaya told his wife to abort their baby. Like, I couldn't believe what I was watching. I kept asking myself, how can a man look into his wife in the eyes and tell her to end the life of their unborn child? And then, to make things worse, he went as far as threatening her. He boldly said that if she didn't go through with the abortion, he would end the marriage. I was like, what? How can a husband place such a heavy and selfish condition on his wife? What really struck me was how little he considered her emotions. Imagine being a woman in that situation, already carrying life inside of you, and instead of support, you are faced with rejection and threats. It was painful to watch, and honestly, it painted Jai as a selfish man who cared only about himself. This thing opened a bigger question for me. How many people out there are in the marriages where one partner makes all the decisions without considering the other's feeling? Movies like Devil is a Liar are powerful because they don't just entertain us. They always reflect real life struggles that some families go through in silence. To me, that scene was unfair, heartbreaking, and it showed the darker side of Jaya's character. It made me wonder, if he could threaten his wife over this, what else would he be capable of? So that's the scene that really stood out to me in Devil is a Liar. What about you? If you've watched the movie, how do you feel when Jaya told his wife to abort their baby? Did it shock you as much as it shocked me? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this kind of commentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more movie breakdown. See you in the next video.